Hey guys, in today's video we're going to make a pen engine where you can draw. So you are going to need the pen extension, so load up a new project and go down to the bottom left, add extension, click that, and this comes up, click pen. I already have obviously, so yeah. So we're going to start and we're going to make a new sprite, and it doesn't have to be a great pen, but if you want, it just makes it look a bit nicer. So I'll make this look better soon. For now, this I'll have to do. And make sure it's not centered, but it's right pointing to the center, like that. And then we just go on flag select, forever, go to mouse pointer. So now it's going to be like just to the top right of our mouse, kind of forward. Needs to be a bit more to the left. I guess I'll do that. There you go. So now I'm going to go if else actually. If mouse down, pen down, mouse pen up. So you see this is already really good. And you can it will draw. But it's kind of bad. So first of all, we're gonna set pen color to black. And I'm probably gonna set pen size to about 10. And flag left, gonna erase all. You should have the ability to draw stuff. And it's a bit of faffle, so if you want, you can make things like an erase button. Just gonna write erase. Put that in here. There we go. And since it's separate to the sprite, we can put it down here. And then go when this sprite clicked. Just broadcast. Call it message 1, but you can write erase if you want. And then receive erase all. So now if we're doing stuff, we can then be like erase all, and it will be erased. There we go. Probably gonna want it to go to front, so we're gonna go 0. So yeah, there you go. You can also have like a color palette. If you click the blue, for example, you broadcast blue, and then when I see set color to blue if you'd like. This is as simple as an engine gets. So yeah, you can, for example, draw a masterpiece, Mona Lisa worthy, like of a house, and it works. It's not very precise, and it's a bit bitmappy, but it's very simple and easy to do. So if you enjoyed this video, then make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks and bye.